Right there. Well, we can't see your reaction.
Here's the big reveal.
All right. Oh, mine's doing a drum roll for you.
Wait, okay. Oh, is that a drum roll?
Yeah.
That's so fun.
Is it open?
You can do it. You can do it. Okay.
Oh my god. Don't look in there. Close your eyes. I can't get the table. Okay, yeah. Keep your head up and then bust it open. Heads up, Al. Can I do it? Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Oh god. Try to get that girl. Alex.
Happy Monday, everyone. Check out our video, Yum or Yuck. Hey, everybody.
Hello.
It's me and Michi again, and we have another challenge.
Yes, the Yum or Yuck Jelly Bean Challenge.
It's Yum or Yuck.
So we have an assortment of jelly beans in here, and half of them are the good flavors and half of them are the yucky flavors, like booger and rotten egg. Yes, they make those.
Ugh.
And we're going to put out one of each, so one good flavor and one bad flavor, and they look exactly the same.
So we don't know which one's which.
And this one is juicy pear and one is booger.
Oh.
So which one are you gonna pick?
Oh, man. Can I smell them?
No, it's cheating. Just pick one.
Oh, I'm gonna pick. I want to smell
No,
it.
you can't smell it. Just pick one.
Oh, I'll pick that one.
Okay. You ready?
And we do it at the same time, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna vomit.
I bet you're gonna have the good one. I'm gonna get all the bad ones.
Okay, ready?
Set, go.
No. No. Ew.
This is great.
Is it good?
No.
What does it taste like? How do they even know? You shouldn't enjoy it that much.
No, it tastes,
It
but
smells like sour cream.
cilantro or something like that. Like it tastes like a green, like a earthy vegetable flavor. It's not that bad.
A healthy boogies.
Yeah, healthy cookie. No, it just didn't taste like what I thought.
Okay.
It would. Okay.
Yum.
Oh yeah, juicy pear. Next one is
Yuck.
rotten egg. Rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Ooh, they look exactly alike.
Exactly.
Oh.
I don't know if you get close.
They look exactly alike. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go for this one.
Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Oh, Mike's coming home. Is it gross? It's gonna make you vomit. Is it gonna make you vomit?
Ew.
Is it really bad? Oh man, I'm so good at it. I don't want to taste anything bad.
Oh my gosh.
Butter popcorn. I love these. I could eat these forever.
Oh my gosh, that's so
What's the
bad.
next one?
Next one is peach
Okay.
or vomit. Oh god. You better get the peach, please.
Please pick the peach. Oh my gosh, they look alike. I'll mix them up. I'm gonna pick this one. I think the bigger ones are
That's
the
how
good
I know. bigger ones have been the good ones. Maybe we can't do them together. Oh man.
Here we go.
You're gonna have peach.
Ready?
Yeah. That's just...
What's it taste like?
Ew, like old meatballs. Coconut or earwax?
Earwax. Okay.
Lemon, lime, or grass?
Lemon, lime, or grass?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. Put it out.
They're different.
Okay, lemon, lime, or grass?
I think I got lemon, lime.
Let's mix them up here. I'll close my eyes.
But I think, yeah.
Did we both get it? It tastes like dirt.
Hey, but dirt is one of them, though.
Is it?
Yeah.
It tastes like
Oh,
dirt.
maybe this is dirt. I can't tell. They're all...
It's kind of appealing.
Ew.
Oh, blue. Blue's gotta be good. Cotton candy, I bet.
Or soap.
Ew, soap. Okay. I was gonna get that one.
Yeah.
No. Trey. Go ahead.
That tastes like soap.
Soap. They're both soap.
Oh man, that's rough.
Ooh, gray. They look like rocks.
Yeah, rock or black pepper.
Rock?
No.
What's a rock taste like?
Oh, find out.
No, seriously, rock? Or-
You did.
you won't say what it is?
No, it's just black pepper. It's
It's black pepper.
ma'am.
It's peppery.
Yeah.
It's peppery.
I want you to try the...
Mm.
Yeah, I want you to try the ones I had to eat.
Mm-mm. All right.
I'm going to let you try the ones that I had to try, okay? So I won't tell you what any of them are. See if you remember.
Oh. Oh. It's like garlic. Is it garlic? It's
No.
vomit.
No!
It's rotten eggs. Oh, I know this one. This must be booger.
Yay!
Yeah, yummer.
And we're gonna see if you have a good one or a bad one. Okay?
Okay.
And
So
then you'll have
just-
to guess what they are.
Just pick at random?
Yeah.
That's yuck.
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg?
Rotten egg. That's rotten egg.
Well, thank you for watching.
Hope we didn't gross you out too much.
It was pretty gross. But watch our next challenge. We don't know what it's going to be yet, but...
Maybe the Chubby Bunny Challenge.
Oh, I don't know.